Okay, so now let's see what is a window join. Okay, so I have started my queue port on queue on port 5000, and I have loaded my script makedb.queue and called the function makedb, and I have created these three tables. The quotes table with 1 million records, and trades with 100,000 records. Now we will go to QPad. Okay, so see, so window join, what it does is, uh, so it gives you an aggregation. Uh, so suppose you have trades table and quotes table. So based on each record of in the trades table, for the for a window in each of the trades table, suppose you take a window of 500 milliseconds. Okay, so for each trade, 500 milliseconds before and 500 milliseconds after. Okay, that is, we are talking about 1 million, sorry, 1 second, a window of 1 second for each trade. Okay, one a window of 1 second of each of the trade, we need to do certain aggregations. Okay, so what we need to do is, we take a window. So how to get the window of times? So mm so trades table, we need the all the time. Okay, so this is 1 million time from the trades table. To each of these time, what we need to do is, we need to add and subtract 500 milliseconds. So this is 500 milliseconds. So it is basically time span. So 0D 00 hours 00 minute 00 second dot 500. So this is our 500 milliseconds. Now we will add 500 plus and minus to each of the time. Okay, so for each of the time, we can just do a plus, right? And suppose we want to do more than one operation, so what we can do is, and we want to add, to each of this, we need to add this and this. So we have got a list of values, plus 500 and minus 500. Okay, so, and our list is on the left side, so we'll use the for each left operator, and this will give me two lists of 100 million 100,000 records each. Okay, now, so this becomes our window. So you will see here, this is 1 second window, 759.59.593 to 8000.593. Then 759.59.71, 800.71. 759.59.743 to 800.743. So you get 1 second window. These all are 500 milliseconds before and after each trade. So we got the W. Now window join accepts four parameters. The first one is the window. Second is the list of columns on which we want to do the aggregation. Yeah, we want to do the join, sim and time. Third is the trades table. Fourth is a list of values. The first is the quotes table. Another will be, so suppose we want for each of this window, we want max bid and min ask. So it is also called NBBO. Okay. So that will be the best match basically. So one who if you are going to buy, so if your quote is the maximum for buying, that will be the best quote. And if you are going to sell, if your quote is the minimum, that will be the best quote. Okay, so max bid and min ask. Okay, so I want to get this max bid and min ask for each of the window of the trade. Okay, you can verify this. How you can verify this? So if you just replace the aggregation function with niladic operator, that is double colon, you get the list of all the bid and ask, the participating bid and ask, and out of that you can see, for you can check for yourself that, you know, suppose let's copy a few rows and paste it here. Okay, and we will verify. Okay, so for the first row, this is the bid and this is the max bid and this is the min ask. So check for yourself if this is the max bid. So 41.32, 41.33, sorry, 41.33, then 41.36 and 41.36. So 41.36 is the max bid and min ask 25.37. 25.37 is the min ask. Okay, verified. Now second row. Second row, there is only single record 43.56 and 43.59. So 43.56 and 43.59. No brainer. And then in the third row, maximum bid is 32.28, 41.32, 41.33. Yeah, 41.33. Yeah, and min ask 25.36, 25.36, 25.36. Yeah, 25.36. Okay, and so on. Okay, so that was all about the window join. Okay, see you in the next video.